Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you're new here, you may as well hit subscribe because you're already here anyways. Now, today's video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite exercises I like to use to help improve my front and side extensions. Now, extensions are one of my favorite things to work on because you see the differences, you see your leg physically get higher, and it feels good to be able to lift your leg higher and hold it with control. That is the emphasis I want to put on today. Control, because a lot of dancers can whack their legs up there, but not a lot can actually sustain the height with control. So let's just start out by warming up our hips a little bit. Just take a double stag with one leg in front and then just go from one side to the next. Let's go for 5, nice and easy. And 4. And 3. And we have 2. And last one. Beautiful. Go ahead and take your yoga blocks. We're going to place them in front of us. And just before we get started with the actual exercises, let's do one more leg warm up. Go onto your elbows, lift your right knee up and around. And let's do the same with the left. And again for the right, left, right, left. Last time, right, left. Beautiful, it's reversed. So the left going out, right going out, left, right, left, right, last time, left, and right. Beautiful. Just go ahead, shift forward, take a little forward fold to stretch out your hamstrings for a second. And then you're gonna take your blocks on the outside of your 2 feet. Now, option 1, you can take your hands on the floor. Both sit bones are going to be down regardless. Option 2, you can take your arms to second. But if your hands are on the floor and your shoulders slightly back, just take your fingertips on the floor so you're not completely using the floor. So once again, option 1 or 2, we're gonna lift the right leg up and over, keep it parallel to start. So we're engaging our core as well as using our hip flexors to lift the leg. Now, this is going to be different for ballet. We're going to also use this exercise with rotation. If you don't do any other types of dance, I still recommend doing this because it's good to strengthen a multitude of muscles in the body, but you can also do this turned out if you really want to focus on devant. But let's take our arms out to the side. We lift the right leg up and over for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, getting a foot cramp, 2, and last one. Beautiful. Go ahead and take your foot on the block. We do the same thing, lift the leg up and over or up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. We flex and point our foot for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and grab the leg, pull it up in a stretch, roll the shoulders open. Beautiful. From here, you're going to let go of the leg, keep the leg lifted, and give me 10 little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the opposite side of the foot with your left hand and just twist against the leg. Beautiful. Go ahead and take that stretch once again and just go forward. We do the same to the left right away. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Beautiful. I just have to adjust for a second because I wasn't completely square. Always make sure that your hips are in line with your feet and your feet are right underneath your hips. And then let's do the same, lifting the left leg up and over the block. Up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, we're gonna hold it, flex and point the foot for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep the leg up and grab it in a stretch. Pull the leg up, roll the shoulders open. And we're gonna let go of the leg and give me 10 little pulses here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the outside of the foot with your right hand. Twist against the leg. Beautiful. Take it in a stretch again. And then just go forward, stretch it out. Beautiful. Go ahead, take your blocks in front for a second and take your feet together and open up your knees into an attitude devant. Now working with rotation, open up your shoulders, bring your shoulders slightly back. You're going to lift your right leg, attitude devant, extend, do 5 circles, envelope to attitude, extend 5 circles, reversing. We do the same with the left, and then we do both legs. Let's try lifting the right leg, attitude, extend. We do 5 circles for 5, 4, 3, keeping the rotation, 2, 1, bring it into attitude, and extend, reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do the attitude. Let's do this one more time. Attitude, extend, again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find the attitude, extend, reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Whew. Same with the left. Lifting attitude, extend circles for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attitude. Keep the heel lifted. Extend, reverse the circles for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attitude. Extend circles for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. Attitude. Extend, reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring both feet in for a second. Shake out your legs. Last time, we find that attitude position once again. Open up the arms. Both legs come up. They extend to the front, devant, and we do 5 circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Go ahead and take your butterfly. Just stretch out your back for a second. Stretch out your hips. And then last but not least, we're gonna swing your legs to the side. Option to go on your elbow or directly on the side. I'm gonna go on my elbow today. It's a little bit more challenging. Lift your waist up, stack your hips, stack your knees. We're going to open up our knees to a clamshell, so bring your knees slightly forward. Open up the knees to a clamshell. Lift the right arm above your head. Lift the knee up, extend, and we're gonna tap it down and lift it up. Tap it down, lift it up, tap it down, lift it up. 2 more, tap it down, lift it up. Last one, tap it down, and lift it up. You can take it in a side stretch. Whoop. Don't lose your balance like me. Good, let go. And give me 10 little circles here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and give me 10 clamshells here for 10, 9, 8, my toes are cramping, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Keep the knees open, slide your arms down onto your side, stretch your bottom leg, take the top leg, and a retire, and we extend to développé, lower down. Again, toe to knee, développé, extend, down, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, développé, down. Last one, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, développé, and you can stretch at this time, maybe taking the heel. Beautiful. Let's do the same thing on the second side. Swing your legs around onto your elbow. We start by opening up the knee directly to the side. Lift the waist, lift the knee, extend, and we tap the toe down and up. Down, and lift it up. And again, 2, lift it up, 3, lift it up, 4, lift it up, last one, 5, lift it up. Beautiful. Good, and while we're here, we do our circles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tap the toes together. Give me 10 clamshells here. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Keep the rotation. Go ahead, lay on your side, find your retiré position, and we lift the knee, extend, lower down, again, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, and down, for 2, lift the knee, extend, down, lift it up, lift the knee, extend, last one, lift it up, and you can find a stretch here. Stretch it out. Whoop. Beautiful, and let go. Beautiful. Very last thing before we go, just take a butterfly and stretch forward. Thank you for joining me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.